bomb calorimeter. We are going to see the applications of bomb calorimeter. First one, bomb calorimeter is used to determine the amount of heat released in combustion reaction. The amount of heat released in combustion reaction. It is also used to determine the calorific value of food. Calorific value of food. Very important application of bomb calorimeter is we have to determine the calorific value of food. Then it also used in many industries such as metabolic study, food processing and explosive testing. So these are the application of bomb calorimeter. Coffee cup calorimeter. Using coffee cup calorimeter, we can measure the heat change at constant pressure, that is at atmospheric pressure. Here, instead of bomb, a styrofoam cup is used in this calorimeter. It acts as good adiabatic valve and does not allow transfer of heat produced during the reaction to its surrounding. This is special of this styrofoam cup. It acts as a adiabatic valve. The picture is given. The parts, what are the parts? Porcelain stirrer, the thermometer, insulator stopper, the white color, it is a cup, styrofoam cup. It is mentioned as nested insulated cups. Then also one more thing, reaction mixture. The entire heat energy is absorbed by the water inside the cup. This method can be used for the reactions where there is no appreciable change in volume. The change in the temperature of water is measured and used to calculate the amount of heat that has been absorbed or evolved in the reaction using the following expression. What is that? Q is equal to mW Cw into del T. What is mW? That is molar mass of water. And what is Cw? Is the molar heat capacity of water. What is molar heat capacity of water? That is 4184 kilojoule per Kelvin per mole. Now we can see the working of coffee cup calorimeter. First, we have to measure the sample which is going to calculate the heat change 5 to 8 grams. Then we have to fill the water in the beaker above the sample. The test tube is placed in the water beaker. Then it is heated around 5 to 6 minutes. The beaker is now boiling. The water in the beaker is now boiling. Isn't it? It is given in the video. Now we are going to see the coffee cup calorimeter. What are the parts? Thermometer, lid, then stirrer. Isn't it? These are the parts showing here. Now we are going to place the water at the bottom of the cup calorimeter. Now we are pouring some water in the cup calorimeter by removing the lid. After place the water, we are going to measure the temperature. Now it is showing the temperature as room temperature. Now the boiling beaker is showing here. Now we are going to transfer the sample into the cup calorimeter. After we transfer the sample, immediately we have to close the lid. And we have to conscious about the spilling of water also. Now we are stir the mixer. We have to stir thoroughly. Now, are you seeing the rise in temperature? Yes. Now it is little bit increasing. The temperature is now it is increasing. The problem number 7.4. Calculate the enthalpy of combustion of ethylene at 300 Kelvin at constant pressure. If its heat of combustion at constant volume, that is del U is minus 1406 kilojoule. The complete ethylene combustion reaction can be written as, before we are moving to the calculation, we must need the reaction, the whole reaction. So what is that?
C2H4 gaseous state plus 3 O2, it gives us 2 CO2 plus 2 H2O. The given data are del U, that is minus 1406 kilojoule. We need to calculate del Ng. What's the formula actually? Del H equal to del U plus RT del Ng. We already have del U value. We need to calculate del Ng. We know the value of T also. And R is constant, we know the value. So, we are supposed to calculate only del Ng. What is del Ng? Number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactant. So, Np minus Nr. What is Np? Number of moles in product side 2. Number of moles in reactant side 4. So, 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So, del H equal to del U plus RT del Ng. RT del Ng. So, we are getting del H equal to minus 1406 plus 8.314 into 10 to the minus 3 into T is 300 into del Ng is minus 2. All together we multiply, we are getting the overall answer of del H equal to minus 1410.9.